Let's be real, turning a woman on isn't always easy, but with the right techniques and approach, you can make it happen. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's always relevant: how to turn a woman on. We have some amazing tips and tricks that we know you'll love, so make sure to stick around until the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Number 1. Come up behind her and put your arms around her. A powerful way to make your partner feel cherished and secure is by showing physical affection. A simple and effective method is to come up from behind her and wrap your arms around her. This gesture conveys your willingness to safeguard her and fosters a sense of protection and comfort. It's a subtle yet impactful way to ignite her passion and create a deeper emotional connection. When you embrace her from behind, you create a safe and warm space where she can feel relaxed and at ease. This intimate act shows her that you're present in the moment and genuinely interested in her well-being. It also sends the message that you're attracted to her and enjoy being close to her. Number 2. Massage her shoulders in public. Public displays of affection can be a sensitive topic for some individuals, but there are ways to show your love without making others feel uncomfortable. A simple yet intimate way to do this is by giving your partner a quick shoulder massage while waiting in line or rubbing their arms if they're feeling chilly. These small acts of physical touch can have a profound impact on your partner's mood and well-being. By massaging her shoulders, you're showing her that you care about her comfort and well-being. This gesture can also help her relax and relieve tension, making it an ideal way to reduce stress in public places. Additionally, it communicates to your partner that you're physically and emotionally present, even in a busy or chaotic environment. Number 3. Make her coffee. If you want to start your partner's day off on the right foot, consider making her a cup of coffee in the morning. This simple yet thoughtful gesture can show her that you care about her well-being and are willing to take the time to make her life easier. By making her coffee, you're not only providing her with a delicious and energizing drink, but you're also giving her a sense of comfort and reassurance. Making coffee for your partner can be a powerful way to express your love and affection. It's an act of service that shows her you're willing to go out of your way to make her happy. Additionally, it can help create a sense of intimacy and connection in your relationship, as you're taking the time to care for each other's needs. Number 4. Cuddle. Cuddling is a wonderful way to show your love and affection toward your partner. It's an intimate act that fosters a sense of comfort, safety, and emotional closeness. Cuddling on the couch or in bed while watching a movie is a great way to unwind and connect with your partner in a meaningful way. When you cuddle with your partner, you're showing her that you value her presence and enjoy spending time with her. It's not just about physical closeness, but also emotional intimacy and connection. Cuddling can also help reduce stress and promote feelings of happiness and contentment. Whether it's a short cuddle session or a long one, taking the time to be physically close to your partner can have a significant impact on your relationship. It's a simple yet powerful way to show your love and make your partner feel cherished and appreciated. Number 5. Know the 3 parts of foreplay. Foreplay is an essential component of sexual intimacy, and there are 3 parts that you should be aware of when trying to turn your partner on. Firstly, good personal hygiene is crucial for both partners, as it can help create a clean and comfortable atmosphere. Secondly, emotional connection is crucial, and it can be established through talking and doing things together, such as going on a date or engaging in a fun activity. Lastly, kissing and touching can help set the mood and create sexual arousal in women. Maintaining good personal hygiene can make a significant difference in how your partner perceives you and can contribute to a more positive sexual experience. Building an emotional connection can also help create a safe and comfortable environment, which can lead to more enjoyable sexual experiences. Kissing and touching can be highly erotic and help set the tone for a passionate sexual encounter. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.